Well, good morning, folks. How you doing? It is Sunday morning, a gorgeous Sunday morning, November 7th for the Holden Showdown. A little later than what I normally have it. It's usually in October. Got a little egg on my face there. They were forecasted rain leading up to the event, and then it looked like it was supposed to start raining pretty early in the day, and it never happened. So it is what it is, but now I have rewarded you with incredible boost weather. So for you guys looking to make record times, Cecil, as always, will have that record-setting prep ready to go, and we're going to have a huge turnout. So we're on our way down there now, a little earlier than expected. I've got my fuel here, some of my double wah coffee, Wawa, and not sponsored. And we'll be there in about 40 minutes or so. I'll see you guys there. Oh, yes. Gorgeous morning. A wee bit on the chilly side. There's a nice lens flare. Thank you very much, Apple. Quality. And there we go. They're getting her ready. Best in the business. Bright and early. Already got a couple cars here. It's going to be a really fun day. You gotta kind of appreciate this, even though it doesn't make any noise. He's standing right here, and the car staged itself. That's the way it goes, I guess.
So you gonna run it without the driver?
I wouldn't. I'm in Tom Pinto's pit here. I finally got a chance to get up here and take a look at the G8. I tell you, this thing is impressive as hell. Single turbo, lots of stock parts on it. Still has the independent suspension. It's a ZL1 rear setup, so you know that that thing's bulletproof. And I'll tell you what, like, the way this cage is set in the car, if I do something stupid and blow my car up, this is exactly what I'm doing. It's absolutely gorgeous how it's tucked up in there, and it's set up so that it's basically you can still use the rear of the car, the rear seat. So it's still can get 4 passengers in. You just got to take these bars out, and I'll tell you what, this thing, you just point and shoot it. I mean, the only thing that's probably not, like, as far as you know, as more race cars, he did take out the trunk floor for a fuel cell. But other than that, I mean, this thing, you just point and shoot. It is freaking gorgeous. We'll definitely get some video of this thing leaving. He's been setting up a few races today, and I'll hopefully get a couple of them on there, because it is definitely no time, and I've been sworn to secrecy. But this thing is a freaking bullet. Nice. Got Andrew here in the Tesla Plaid. Got him. Amazing. Was a close one. Hell of a race. don't red light. All right, Mike, so explain to me, which either one of you, yeah, come here. Come here. So what the hell happened?
So the windshield cracked sometime during the pass.
Okay.
And it started here and then went to here. And then each subsequent pass, it's cracked more. So we're now on...
So what are we trying to do? We trying to take the entire windshield?
Oh,
or
yeah.
Just make sure it doesn't fly out like
Right,
whoever
exactly.
was before. All right. So this thing's going to go pretty quickly, man, based on how many people are in the lane. So this should be pretty straightforward. But so you're in who? So what? You broke out slightly less. Okay.
64 thousandths less.
Okay. Hey, man, a win's a win. It doesn't matter how you get it. A win's a win. Very nice. Okay, second round of dial-ins for the bracket race. This is why Cecil's the best. They're giving 500 towards the winner, so I'm busting it up. 375 for the winner, 125 to runner-up. No! Red light. Oh, Vicky got him. All right. Tesla's going home. That's a mischief. I think that's game over. Wow. Massive breakout in the right lane. And we got a buyer on here all by himself. Looks like he's just gonna lazily take the win. Tough to beat. All right, so we're up with the last round of bracket racing. Is the final. GM versus Mopar. 375 to the winner, $125 for the runner-up. Not a bad day. And these guys are ridiculously evenly matched. They're all both like a hundredth or so, a few hundredths off their dial-in. He's burning them down. Oh. right, folks, that's a wrap on the 21 Showdown, man. I'll tell you, the track prep was on point, was mucho delicioso. However, track was mighty hungry. I think we probably had somewhere in the order of 15 or so casualties, ranging from engines, head gaskets, drive shafts, rears, axles. Also, there was a windshield in there for good measure, went flying. We had a few people just cracking windshields, but we also had a huge amount of personal bests. So a good buddy of mine, Tom Pinto, had a serious personal best. You know, you saw the car. I didn't get a chance to get a camera on it, but that baby was hauling the mail. So I expect only good things from that moving forward. I think Jared Webster, he had that crazy S2000. I'm not sure if I was able to get that on tape this time. Tape, that ages me right here. I wasn't sure if I ever got that on video. But he was 840s at like 170. There was a crazy C7 there. It was like running 970s at like 178 or something like that. So like that thing was hauling the mail out the back end. He was just struggling to get it off the line. But a lot of really great times, lots of smiles. It seems like everybody really had a good time. Those who struggled a little bit seemed to rally. Matt Hertz, you know, founding member, one of the founding members of the Tri-State Holds Group, had a personal best today. He's slowly whittling down on his combo, making it faster and faster, but I have a feeling he's going to have to start investing in some parts behind the engine and transmission, because he put a hurting on his drive shaft today. But you know what? He always has a smile on his face, and that's really all I hope for the folks that come out. So thank you guys for supporting. I'll be editing up some videos as soon as I get home. I'm probably going to find something to snack on, though, and maybe catch a quick few winks. But I appreciate you guys coming out. I hope everybody had a good time. Thank you again to Jim and Chad and the whole Cecil staff. As always, you run a very tight ship, even with the breakages. You guys got everybody off the track cleaned up and got us running right away. So I think there's a lot of guys there, a lot of folks had a really great time, and we appreciate you for that. So we will see you next time. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.